Sophia. Good morning, everyone. A rabbit, a turtle were friends. A rabbit asked a turtle pyramids. They sat and wrapped on very far. After a while, rabbit saw turtle far behind. Decided they to sleep under tree. Rabbit saw turtle saw rabbit sleeping. Turtle watching slowly. Caution a rabbit. Rabbit suddenly wake up. Saw the turtle. Other England. Turtle excited called the rabbit for a swimming race. Swimming race began. Turtle swimming fast. Rabbit could not. A rabbit luckily saw